Speaking skills. Improve English for beginners. Hello, I'm Brian, a first-year student.
Hello, Brian. I'm Jessica, a second-year student. Nice to meet you.
What is your major?
It's linguistics, and you?
It's business administration. I'm also taking a foreign language. Which language do you study?
I study Russian.
It must be very interesting.
Yes, but it is a difficult language for beginners.
Can you teach me Russian when you have free time? I'd love to know about Russia's culture, too.
I also join a Russian club every Thursday. If you want to join, you can go with me.
That's great. This Thursday I will go with you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, Helen, I haven't seen you for a long time.
Oh, that's Frank. It has been 3 years to see you again.
How have you been?
I'm fine. How have you been? I'm fine. How have you been? No, I quit there last year. Currently, I am working at Microsoft. Where are you working?
I work at Ernst & Young. I am the auditor there.
That's good. It's a great company.
Yes, thank you.
I still remember many memories when we were still in school.
What is your favorite sport?
I like tennis. And you?
I like football. Why do you like tennis?
Because it's a sport that requires strength and precision. Do you know Rafael Nadal?
Who is your favorite player?
Ronaldo and Messi.
Well, I know them. They are very famous.
That's right. They are the top football stars in the world.
What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love to read. I'm currently reading a new mystery novel, and it's so good. What about you?
I love to cook. I just tried a new recipe for lasagna, and it turned out great.
That's awesome. I wish I could cook. I always burn everything I try to make.
Maybe you just need a little more practice. Have you tried any other hobbies?
Well, I used to play guitar, but I haven't picked it up in a while.
You should start playing again. It's a great stress reliever.
That's true. Maybe I'll dust off my old guitar and start practicing again.
Do it, and let me know if you need any tips on cooking. I'll be happy to help.
Thanks. Maybe we can have a cooking and music night together sometime.
How do you usually start your day?
Oh, I always have a cup of coffee to wake me up. How about you?
I can't start my day without stretching for at least 10 minutes. It helps me get rid of my morning stiffness.
That's interesting. I never thought of that. Maybe I should try it out.
You should start playing again. It's a great stress reliever.
Thanks for the tip. Do you have any other morning routines?
Well, I also like to listen to some uplifting music while I shower. It puts me in a good mood for the rest of the day.
Haha, I usually listen to metal in the morning. Maybe that's why I'm always so grumpy.
Yeah, you should switch to some happy tunes. It'll make your day brighter.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice.
How was your weekend?
It was amazing. I went to a great concert last weekend and it was so much fun.
Really? Who did you see?
It was a rock band, and they were awesome. The lead singer climbed on top of a speaker and played his guitar upside down.
That sounds incredible. Did you take any pictures?
I tried to, but my phone ran out of battery just as they started playing my favorite song.
That's too bad. But it sounds like you had a blast anyway.
I did. I was dancing and singing along the whole time. I even lost my voice by the end of the night.
Ha. Well, that's the sign of a good concert. I'm glad you had fun.
Thanks. I can't wait for the next one.